There you go, Casey.
Okay, we're going to identify the parts for the laboratory. So, the first thing we need to be able to know is the mouth. That's the outside. The oral cavity is inside your mouth, everything within it. I need to move back. Your tongue, here. The parotid gland is located outside. The submandibular gland is this one? Yeah, this one, or this one, right?
No.
This one?
Yep.
And these are both salivary glands.
Mm-hmm.
And the teeth are also part of it, which we already identified.
Mm-hmm.
The hard palate is like the roof of your mouth, and then your soft palate is also the roof of the mouth, but the rear. Next, we're going to go on to the esophagus, stomach, and small intestine. The esophagus is here. Also, this is where it ends, right here. This is the stomach, this whole piece here. The cardiac region of the stomach is the part that is connected to the esophagus. The fundus is the upper portion. The body is this middle portion. And then the pyloric region is down here where it connects to the small intestine. Then the different layers. Oh, no, the pyloric sphincter. On the inside of the stomach is the muscle right here that will contract for that section of the stomach. Then the layers of the stomach wall. The first outside layer,
What number is that? 521?
521, is the longitudinal layer. The circular is 522 here, this next one. And then the inner layer right here is the oblique. And then rugae are longitudinal folds inside the stomach. Sure. And then we're moving on to the small intestine, which is, so you can see it starts right here. And this is all small intestine. This part of the small intestine that connects to the stomach is the duodenum. And then now we are going to move on to the large intestine. The first, this is the large intestine here. And then it continues, inside. These blue pieces or dark gray pieces. The ileocecal valve is right here, and it connects the small intestine to the large intestine.
So where the white ring is.
And then the cecum is a pouch right here. The appendix is this green one.
The dark green one, 345.
The ascending colon is this one that goes up this way. The transverse colon is this one that goes across. And the descending colon is this one that goes here down. And the sigmoid colon is the S-shaped bit of the colon back here.
So if you can kind of see, it makes like an S shape right there. So it's 353?
553.
I'm sorry, 553. Okay.
Okay, next we have the so here you can see it very clear on the transverse colon, runs down here, descending colon, and on the ascending colon. The haustra are pouch-like sections of the intestine, so each individual. singular is Hostrum. The rectum is back here. On the inside, at the end.
So it's that lighter green, it's 554.
Yes, 554. And then the external and internal anal sphincter. we
You got to
already
see those
identified
on the
them on
female.
So next we have the liver. This is the liver. It goes in here this way. So this is the right lobe of the liver, the left lobe of the liver, and the gallbladder is this green section on the other side of the liver. And then finally, the pancreas is this whole piece here.
Okay, thank you very much, Casey.